The AIRMEIMEI MIG Welder 110V 140A is designed with a user-friendly synergic control that simplifies the welding process by automatically adjusting the current and voltage. Featuring a double, large LED screen, this welder provides clear visibility of settings even in cold temperatures, enhancing both style and functionality. With its 3-in-1 capability, it accommodates gasless MIG flux core, stick, and lift TIG welding modes, making it versatile for various welding tasks. The welder automatically adjusts the wire feeding speed based on the selected wire diameter, offering convenience and precision for both beginners and experienced welders. Constructed from durable ABS material, the machine includes multiple safety features such as overheating and overcurrent protection, ensuring stable and secure operation. The product comes with a customer guarantee, including a 30 days refund policy and a 2-year warranty, demonstrating the manufacturer's commitment to quality and customer satisfaction.